Hello guys, welcome to the next video of Angular series on the YouTube channel Jack of JavaScript. So in this tutorial we are going to see how to get started with Angular development. For this we need to download some of the softwares. In the previous video we already have seen what are the requirements, what are the reasons behind Node.js, NPM and Angular CLI. Right. So we'll start one by one. Let's start with the Node.js installation. So just open your browser and search for Node.js. Right, so it will give you the first link, that is for the authentic link for Node.js. Just click on it. So you will come to know there are two options. First is the recommended for most of the users, and second is the latest version. Right, so this recommended user version is the most stable one, and the latest one would be, they might be having some bug issues, or it might be under the testing phase. Right, so I would suggest you to go for this recommended version. Click on this, so it will start downloading. As I already have started, as I already have installed it, so I'll cancel this. All right, so once it gets downloaded, just open it, and mm, so it will open the installation wizard for Windows or in for any of your as per your operating system. Right, you just have to click on the next button of that wizard and it will be installed on your machine. Right, so the next step is you have to install VS Code editor for it. So just Google for VS Code. So there would be link for download Visual Studio. Click on this, and once you click here, it will show you options for Windows, Debian operating systems and Mac OS. Right, so as per your OS you can click on this. This is Windows, so I'll click on this. Or since I already have installed it, so I'll cancel the download if it gets started. Right, so I'll cancel it. Right, the next step is you have to search for Angular CLI. Search for Angular CLI, it will give you the first link. Open it, and it will show you some of the set of commands. Right, so now we have to start the command prompt. So the shortcut is Windows and R. So you can type CMD in that, and your command prompt will be opened. Right, so in this, if you have installed the Node.js, you can check the version with this command and node-v. So it will show you the version that is installed on your machine. It might take some time. So this is a version 12.13 that is installed on my machine. Then you can check npm-v for knowing the version of npm. So I think there is some issue with the npm, so okay, we'll avoid this. But it will show you the npm version that you have already installed. Right, after that you have to install the Angular CLI. Just copy this npm install -g at Angular CLI and paste it on your machine. Okay, so it is throwing some error due to this. Right, but once you enter for this command, the Angular installation process will get started. So it will take some time, and moment after few minutes it will get installed. So as to know the Angular version, so this is the command, that is ng space version. Just hit it. Once you enter it, it will show the Angular version that is installed. So this is Angular 8.3.4 that is installed on my machine. So like this, we have everything with our system that is required for Angular development. All right, so now this is the second command, that is ng new and my dream app. So uh, now everything is installed. Now you have to create your first application. Right, so you can change your drive with your drive name and then colon. Since my f is the drive name, so then it is the name and the colon, so it will change your drive. Right, after that you can create your first application with this ng niv and this my dream app. So this would be the name of your application. Once you enter it, it will ask you several questions, right? So as we know, it will create you the complete folder structure for Angular application. And first it will ask you, would you like to have Angular routing? So as of now, just put yes command, that is why. Then it will ask you which style sheet you want to go for. So CSS, SCSS. So go for CSS, and it will start the process of creation, the complete skeleton of your Angular application. So the complete folder structure will be created. After this successful creation, you can go into that folder with this cd command, that is change directory and the application name, and then you can hit this ngserve command. Once you hit this, so you can open localhost colon 4200, right, and it will show you the first application. So the process is continue, it is still going. So after few time, after few minutes, you can check it. All right, so this is all about the first getting started with Angular application. So if you face any kind of issues, please put it into comment section. I'll get back to you. All right, so thank you so much for watching this video. Keep learning. Thank you from Jack of JavaScript.